Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add gradient background to your row or column that you make in Beaver Builder. So what we'll do is we will first go to a page where I wish to add that gradient. Okay, so let's open sandbox page. If you have any existing CSS, make sure to remove that from that particular page before we apply our own. Okay, so first thing would be to let our Beaver Builder load, then go to layout, CSS and JavaScript, and here you can remove any existing CSS you have. Okay, save it. Now here let's drop in one column row. Okay, once you add this, what we'll do is we will simply edit this, and in row settings go to advanced tab. Let's name this class something like background dash gradient. So bg dash gradient, save it. Now we need gradient color CSS. So for that we open gradient generator. You can choose the color you want from this. Okay, choose the orientation of that color. Okay, so let's go with bottom. Okay, now you have to copy this CSS entirely, then go to your page and here go to your layout and CSS. Okay, here we add our class bg dash gradient and make sure to add your code that you just copied, paste it here. Okay, and then save, and you will find that your current one row column has that gradient added. So you get the idea how to add gradient to your page and how to turn any column or entire page into gradient.